Echoes boys, what's happening, fellas?
What up, world? You know, Eccles Boys,
True Squad.
Shot
We out.
Town Bound.
You know what I mean? Out here, in Vegas, doing our thing. Straight out here from Chicago, went to Wisconsin, Green Bay, Wisconsin. And shout out to everybody that's out there, full spin everything that's everybody that's out there, you know what I mean? But we out here doing our thing, you know what I mean? Eccles Boys, you know what I mean?
Close up on the
Y'all can
shirts
see
right
us.
there. See,
Taydon Dundada, Lil G Bam Bam with a pencil. Y'all can catch us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you know what I mean? The whole social media you dig, you know what I'm saying? Check us out in the DM, you know what I mean?
yeah.
Everywhere. Shout out Party
Everywhere.
Girl Promotions, BMO Magazine,
True.
The Dynasty.
True.
You know, we from the Midwest, out west, and we going east.
Going strong.
Everywhere.
Going strong.
That's what's up.
Check us out on the
And
real.
in a month, we gonna be releasing this new single called Wine and Bacardi. So on June 10th, if you not at Money Plays when we working on this video, then you gonna miss out.
That's a true story.
Oh,
That's
Yeah.
a true story because this is real stuff. Shout out to Money Play, shout out to Stan, shout out to Paulie, shout out to Jay. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I would appreciate everybody. Much love. You know
And
what
them
I mean?
Upright Lions. Don't forget the Upright Lions.
Don't
For
forget
sure.
to upright
Right, do not
them
forget-
niggas go hard. Check them niggas out.
right.
Real
Do
talk.
not forget the upright
Don't
lines.
forget them niggas.
Real
All right,
shit.
fellas, thank you very much, man. I do appreciate that, man. That's my folks, man. It's Echoes Boys, man.
Yeah.
So live in the place, man. Y'all don't even know they especially for me. I'm gonna think that they did my favorite song. It's my favorite song until they drop my next favorite song. Let's just put it like that. All right. Hey, and hopefully soon I might have that music for y'all on the air, right? I'm gonna have something tangible in my hands real soon. You see what I'm talking about, Steve? If y'all ain't listening to Pastor Mike, if y'all ain't Money Plays, I ain't even finna keep going, man.